Dr. Archana Rani was born 1972 in Meerut. She is presently head and associate professor in the Department of Visual Art, Drawing and Painting in RG College, Meerut, Uttar Pradesh. She is M.A., Net, Ph.D. and D.Litt. in drawing and painting. She ever worked not only to justify her duties but worked for a social cause also. She has been the leading group leader of Guinness Book of World Record for world's longest 1,391.74 by 1.4 meters painting by numbers in Meerut, beating China's previous record on 14th of November, 2016. She always supported her students to build their bright career with deep guidance, help, devotion and determination. She actively contributed all efforts to enhance art and culture. For this she has been awarded so many times. She was honored 4 gold medals, 1 silver medal, and further the Best Artist Award in Mumbai, Kala Shree and Kala Ratna Sammaan, Kala Maartand Sammaan and many more.